Hello everyone, welcome to Intellect Instruct. So in this video, I'll be telling you some important questions of research methodology and intellectual property rights. Subject code is 21RMI56. So these questions I have taken from the model paper. So all these questions are very important. Okay. So in module 1, these are the important questions that is about engineering research and list out its aims and objectives, also explain research flow cycle. This question is important, and comparison between descriptive research versus analytical research. Then three broad categories of developing and accessing knowledge in research, and I'm really sorry for the background noise, I can't help it. Then important question is state and explain the key ethical issues related to authorship, also different types of engineering research, then different types of research misconduct, and explain the factors that motivate you to do engineering research. So these are the important questions of module 1. You can take the screenshot, and module 1 I have listed 9 questions. You can study any 7 questions among out of these 9 questions, you can study any 7 questions. Next, let's go to module 2. So in module 2, these are the important questions. That is the primary goals of conducting literature survey, then new and existing knowledge and contribute to the research process, then data sheets, then regarding various steps involved in critical and creative reading process, then about citation is also important, then most common styles for citation used by engineers, then what type of citation fails to achieve their goals, then using a flowchart explain the co-authorship network. So here also there are 7 questions, so out of 7 you can study any 5 questions. Okay. Then next, module 3. So in module 3, the important questions are the intellectual property rights and its types, then about patent, the term patent, then what are the conditions for obtaining patent protection, then steps involved in the process of filing a patent applications using flowchart, then patent infringements, then types of inventions that are eligible for patenting, then different types of patent applications, then utility models, then steps involved in the patent registration, then name for national bodies. So these here there are 8 questions. Study at least 6 questions. Okay. Yeah. Next, important is module 4. So in module 4, it's regarding copyright and trademark. So either both will come in or part. Either you have to study like copyright part, or you can study the trademark part. Whichever you feel easy, you can study that. So in this also, I have listed 7 questions from module 4. You can study any 5 questions, like either copyright or the trademark. Okay, so here also, in if you are studying copyright, then the questions are like what is copyright and its classes, then steps involved in the process of copyright registration, then key considerations and tests for determining the fair use of doctrine under copyright law, then the key events and circumstances, then the dispute between photographer David Slater and Mekes in Indonesia. So that one circumstance they have asked here. Then explain the roles and functions of the copyright board, then different categories of trademarks, then steps involved in the trademark registration, and key eligibility criteria that mark to meet for the trademark protection. So these are the questions from module 4. Out of 7 you can study any 5. Okay. Next, last, module 5. So in module 5 you can study, discuss design registration procedure, then regarding industrial design, then summarize the non-protectable industrial designs in India, and yeah, here also 7 questions are there. Any 5 questions you can study. Then describe the enforcement of industrial design rights, then identification of registered geographical indications regarding GI. So you can see here also regarding GI questions. Then this also GI, like explain registered geographical indications, then define the GI with an example and give the rights granted to GI holders. Then also summarize the IPR related activities to the department. So these are the important questions. You can study any 5 among these. Um, yeah, if you like the video, please like, share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All the best for your exams. Thank you.